Hi, I'm Teresa with Inflectra. I'll be providing a series of short videos to help you get started using Spira. This includes all the editions of the system: SpiraTest, SpiraTeam, and SpiraPlan. In this video, we'll take a look at reporting. So let's get started. The Spira suite was designed so that you can easily find real-time results for products and programs. So let's take a look at what SpiraTest has to offer. Here you can see I've selected my Library Information System product, and I'm at my requirements list page. Artifact list pages provide an at-a-glance update for specific artifact progress. And you can use their filtering options to save specific views, which you can use to pinpoint key progress indicators. For instance, here in my quick filter area, I can filter these results to show me all my critical requirements that are not yet covered with a test case. Another built-in reporting option are our program and product dashboards. With the 3 different views, general, development, and testing, stakeholders can review high-level progress or target specific areas of interest. If we look at our testing view here, we can easily assess our requirements coverage. Here you can see with a tooltip that we have a relatively high count of requirements that are not yet covered with a test case. We can look at test case result trends by release, as well as some open incident information for the product. You can easily filter these product dashboards by a particular release sprint. Moving to the development view, if you have Spira connected with a CI tool like Jenkins, then you would be able to see some recent build information. You might also want to look at your top open issue count here. And then there's the more traditional requirement burn down, burn up, and velocity graphs. The general view gives you the requirements completion graph for all the open releases, as well as some charts showing the relative size of releases in sprints, where they are on their schedule, and the requirements completion. Here we also have a schedule Gantt view. And the dark shading here of the bars will indicate the percent complete for requirements. We can go up one level to the program and see the same selection of views here. Now we're looking at an aggregate value of all the products within this particular program. Some key widgets to highlight here would be this product test summary. So I can quickly look at my testing progress for the different products within a program. And then on the general view, I have that schedule view, but now I'm looking at the schedule for all the products within the program. And I still have that progress shading available as well. Let's head back to our Library Information System product. For more powerful reporting options, you can choose this reporting button here in the top nav bar. This will open up our Reports Center, and here you'll find a selection of graphing widgets, as well as printable reports. If we take a look at some of our graphs, here you can see we have some defect counts over time, test results over time, and you have some selectable date ranges there as well. We have some snapshot graphs where you can decide what information to display. So here for our requirement summary, right now we're looking at requirement statuses, and they're grouped by release. We might want to change that grouping to be by priority or importance here. You're able to export the data of these graphs as a CSV or the picture if that's your preference. Spira also lets you create custom graphs, and depending on the data set, you can view that information as a line, bar, or donut chart. Note that this reporting page, just like the dashboards, comes with a release selector, which lets you organize certain widgets by a specific release or sprint. Spira also comes preloaded with these printable detailed reports, and they're organized here in the left by artifact. These preloaded reports could also be customized with altered headers or footers, or more extensively using XSLT. Let's take a look at the preloaded requirements traceability report. Here you can see that we can select the report format, and now we can select filter properties for a more targeted report. So let's say I only want to look at requirements in my book management product component. We're able to save this report configuration with a title, and it will appear there on the left. Or you can have the option to save this directly to Spira's document repository. This would allow reports maybe to be run at the end of a release cycle, and then use Spira's document workflow to get approvals or sign-offs. For now, I'll just go ahead and create this requirements traceability report to give you an idea of what a typical report looks like. So here you can see that we have our requirements, the requirement title, the test cases that are testing those requirements, as well as the associated lateral requirements. And then we have that reverse traceability as well. If you'd like to take a look at other reports, you can utilize our online documentation center, Spira Docs, and take a look at those different reports. So I hope you have a good idea of the several ways SpiraTest lets you review and analyze essential project metrics. Thanks so much for watching this Spira reporting video today. We have more Spira explainer videos for you to explore on this channel. Check them out now.